In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to quickly make a classic cream cheese frosting. In my bowl, I have 1 block of cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add in 2 cups of icing sugar. I'm just going to sift that in. And that block of cream cheese is equal to 250 grams. I'm going to grab the back of a spoon. I'm just going to push all the little pieces through. So there we go. I have a 1/4 cup of salted butter in my bowl. I'm just going to microwave this on the defrost mode just to melt it down, and then I'll come back. I now have my melted butter. I'm just going to pour that in. And then our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to grab my hand mixer, speed number 1. And I just want to start incorporating all of these ingredients together. This is smelling really, really good. Now once this is well mixed, I'm going to increase my mixer now. I really want to get this fluffed up. So I'm adding a lot more air. And this is going to really mix this well. So I've been mixing that for a good minute. And now I'll show you how nice this frosting is. Look at this. Really nice and fluffy and airy. You can see the texture. And when you refrigerate this, this is going to get stiffer, but it's perfect right now to put on a nice carrot cake, which I will be doing in another video. I'm going to be using this exact recipe, but I'm just going to taste a little bit of this. Oh, really, really good. Not overly sweet. You can taste that cream cheese, and that vanilla just makes it pop. Really, really good. So that's it for this video. If you want a really good cream cheese frosting that's simple to make, I hope you try this one out. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. Oh, and before I forget, if you want to see this exact recipe on a carrot cake, I'll put a link in the description box. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.